Welcome! In this RoyalCondor video, we will show you the assembly process of the La Plus sprayer. The lance holder, nozzle, lever and screw will be installed. You can find more information in the user manual. Install the lance on the shutoff valve. Turn the nut. To secure the valve, make sure the lance is oriented in the desired spraying direction and that the nozzle holder is placed on the lance. You can install different types of nozzles, depending on the agrochemical input and the type of application. Now, the assembly of the back of the sprayer will be done by removing the cover and turning the lock. Lower the piston system with both hands. Place the lever in one of the three positions: short, medium, or long, depending on the build and length of your arm. Turn the screw to secure the lever. Close the back part of the sprayer by placing the lid and turning the lock. For more information, you can refer to our website